Hello again, guys. This is the second part of our project here on Binary Options Academy. We are actually looking at how to trade and how to interpret a waterfall effect. And on the first part, we lay down the grounds, the grounds and the rules for this waterfall effect, what it implies. Like a short review, it implies three corrective waves or three corrections that are connecting, or they are connected with X waves, and we are looking for 61.8 out of first correction projected at the end of the first correction, and you'll have an educated guess about where the second correction ends. And then, of course, based on the length of the first correction, you just take 38.2 and projected by the end of the first correction, then you'll have an educated guess about the moment that the market is going to end the third correction. We have a classical example on the euro-US dollar. Our first corrective wave, based on the explanation on the first part, is this one here that goes all the way to the downside here. So this is our first correction here. It's a corrective wave in the form of a zigzag, and this would be the X wave. So when this one is happening, we don't know if this is going to be a waterfall effect or not. But what we do know is that we should measure it here, from here to here, with a Fibonacci retracement, and we'll need to take 61.8 out of this whole move. So we take 61.8 out of this move. Let me make it black and like this, like showing here, and we should project this one by the end of the first correction. So when the first correction ends, what should it give us? It should give us the end, right, the end of the second correction. Well, the end of the second correction would be approximately, as you can see here, and we'll take a trend line from here to here, the end of the second correction. And after this X wave, it means that the whole move that followed from here to here all the way to here, it is just the second corrective wave. And from this moment of time, we just simply don't want to be short anymore, and we just don't want, let's say, to buy put options anymore, as we are looking, based on the time frame here on the 4-hour chart, we are looking for market to bounce from this level. So what to do next? Well, normally from this moment of time, after the second correction ends, we are looking for an X wave to come, and in order to have an educated guess about the end of the third correction, so let's make this one of a different color, like this. And if we clone this one and we put this one at the end of, not that one, sorry, we should measure 38.2 out of the first correction. So we'll take it in blue, and we measure the 38.2 from here to here, like this. And if you take this one and you project it by the moment that the second correction ends here, we'll have an educated guess about where this would end. And as you can see here, it ends at approximately 135 level, which gives us approximately the bottom for that move to the downside that came. Well, this is technical analysis, this is the waterfall effect, and this is the interpretation. And normally here it should be a contracting triangle. It looks like a triangle that is about to pop higher, and this would be our third correction, I would say, that starts all the way either from here or from here. So this would be A, B, C. So like this would be our third corrective wave in the form of a contracting triangle, like this. So 1, 2, 3, and then the price should pop higher and the market should pop higher. Thank you very much for being here. This was the second part of the waterfall effect. We are looking at some Binary Options Academy projects here, trying to interpret both technical and fundamental analysis for this binary options setups. Thank you again, and make sure you check our Binary Options Academy for different technical and fundamental analysis. Bye bye.